All right, let's look at week 8. So for week 8, you have your assignment 3 that is due by Sunday 11:30 p.m. For your assignment 3, you are going to be looking at chapters 4 and 5. So this watch me first would be right on the very top of it. Here is the outline, the PowerPoint, and the video related to chapter 4. Here is the outline for 5, the PowerPoint, and the video for 5. One of the questions on assignment 3 is about oversampling, and over the years, over the semesters, I have seen that students have problems with oversampling. So I made a small PDF on oversampling, and I'm actually going to post a video about oversampling over here too, so that you can have that. So let's look at assignment 3. So for your assignment 3, you are answering questions on validity, reliability, and sampling, the probability sampling and non-probability sampling. These are all on the in chapters 4 and 5. When you answer, please make sure that you are using a different color so that I can see your answers. And then the scoring is given, how is it scored for each of them. So if you have any questions, you please let me know. And here is your Dropbox. I look forward to reading your assignment.